Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hanisa Putri. We student ID number 19251902, class 19.1 C05, Information System Department. In today's session, please allow me to present the material on the simple present tense. Simple present tense. Definition of simple present tense. What is the simple present tense? The simple present tense is used to describe action or situation that are regular, habitual, or general true. In other words, the simple present tense is a tense used to explain events that occur regularly, routinely, or as general habits. It can also be used to indicate something that is happening at the present time. Function of the simple present tense. The simple present tense function to express general truth, habits, interaction, and function secondaries. 1. General truth. General truth refers to universal or absolute truth, things that are definitely true and commonly known. For example, water freeze at 0 degrees, yang artinya air membeku pada suhu 0 derajat. This statement is absolutely true, and proven science dare not think as water evaporating at 0 degrees. Cats are mammals, yang artinya kucing merupakan mamalia. This is also categorically true and widely known. 2. Habits. A habit refers to something that is done repeatedly or consistently. For example, my father goes to work every day weekday, yang artinya ayahku pergi bekerja setiap hari. 2. I study with my friends every Sunday at the academic, yang artinya aku bekerja bersama teman-temanku setiap hari di tempat les. 3. Instruction. The term instruction means a command or direction. These are often found on signs we see along the route. In addition, instruction can also be found on product packaging such as do not enter this area, yang artinya dilarang masuk ke area ini. Dan kedua, cook the noodles for 3 minutes, masak mie selama 3 menit. Aside from instruction on sign or product packaging, this tense is also used in the general command station. For example, close the door, please. Tolong tutup pintunya. 4. Fixed secondaries. Lastly, there are fixed secondaries which refer to events that are secondaries or certain to happen. But what's the difference between these and habits? Habits are routines or actions done repeatedly. They can be secondaries or not. Example including going to work, going to school, or attending lesson. You definitely go to school according to a school's right. So why is one considered a habit rather than a fixed secondaries? Because it happens repeatedly. Let's emphasize that again repeatedly. Now, fixed secondaries refer to events that are planned or see to happen at a specific time, but now repeatedly. For example, the show starts at 7 p.m., yang artinya pertunjukan itu dimulai pada 7 jam malam. The script marked their upcoming concert in Indonesia on September. Pattern formula of simple present tense. For the subject, I used the to be verb and do or a verb without the ending "c" or "is." Meanwhile, subject you, they, we, and plural subject use the to be verb are and do or I verb without the endings "c" or "is." Lastly, subject he, she, it, and singular subject Use the to be verb is and does are a verb with the ending "c" or "is". As for the pattern itself, it is divided into types: the nominal stanza pattern and verbal sentence pattern. Formula of simple present tense for nominal stanza. A nominal stanza is a stanza that expresses a noun which can be a person name, profession, place, or any object. 3-4. The predicate used to be is, am, are. Why is, am, are? Because the simple present tense represents the present time, meaning now or the current moment. So the correct to be forms are is, am, are. In nominal stanza, there are tables of stanza from positive, negative, interrogative, and interrogative with question. A positive form. The positive form refers to a stanza that has a positive meaning or structure. The pattern for nominal stanza is subject plus to be plus complement. To be consistent of is, am, are, and their usage depending on the subject. The complement might consist of a noun, adverb, or adjective depending on the stanza. Examples: He is a teacher, yang artinya dia adalah seorang guru. Dan I am smart, aku pintar. We are a group of students, kita merupakan satu grup pelajar. In the positive form, the sentence expresses a positive statement and does not indicate negation denial. For example, I am smart, not I am not smart. B. Negative form. The negative form is used to express negation or denial. 3-4. A negative form stanza has a negative meaning. The pattern for nominal stanza is subject plus to be not plus complement. You just need to add not to the positive form. Example: Mom is not a chef. Ibu bukan seorang chef. I am not lazy. Aku tidak malas. They are not here yet. Mereka belum ada di sini. C. Interrogative form. The interrogative form refers to a station in the form of a question. So don't forget to use a question mark. The pattern for nominal stanza is to be plus subject plus complement plus apa? Examples: Is the food delicious? Apakah makanannya enak? I am alright. Apakah aku benar? Are you a doctor? Apakah kamu seorang dokter? In the interrogative form, to be is placed at the beginning of the sentence. In the interrogative form, to be is placed at the beginning of the sentence before the subjects. D. Interrogative form with question. The interrogative form in this case uses with question, which are question words containing the letter W, such as when, what, when, where, who, whom, which, whose, why, and how. For this form, the pattern for nominal stanza is with question plus to be plus subject plus. Unlike the previous interrogative form, this one begins with how with question followed by to be, and then the subject. Example: Who is that boy? Siapa laki-laki itu? Where I am I? Di mana aku? Why are you late? Kenapa kamu terlambat? Pattern formula of simple present tense for verbal stanza. A A verbal station is a station that expresses an action or behavior. Therefore, its predicate is a verb, action word. The verb must be in the verb one form. It is mandatory. Why? Because the simple present tense represents the present time, meaning now, or the current moment, so the core verb form is verb 1. Just like nominal extension, verbal extension, verbal extension also have 4 types of extension forms: positive, negative, interrogative, and interrogative with question. Positive form. For the positive form of verbal extension, the pattern is subject plus verb 1 or verb 1 plus C or is plus complement. The verb can either be in its best form without the ending C or mean is, or in the form with C or is, depending on the subject. Remember the subject table we included earlier. If the subject is I, you, they, we, are a plural subject, use the verb without C or is. If the subject is he, she, it, or a singular subject, use the verb with C or is. Examples: I read a letter. Aku menulis sebuah surat. He goes to school. Dia pergi ke sekolah. See the difference from the nominal extension example earlier. In a verbal extension, there is a verb that shows the subject is performing an action or behavior. Meanwhile, in a nominal extension, the to be verb is used to express the subject as something or someone unknown. B. Negative form. Next, let's move on to the negative form. For verbal extension, the pattern is subject plus do or does tambah plus not plus verb 1 plus complement. Remember, in the negative form, we add not to express a negative or denial. Example: they not know where to go. Mereka tidak tahu harus pergi kemana. She does not bring an umbrella. Dia tidak membawa payung. You can shorten do not and does not into don't and doesn't. C. Interrogative form. For the interrogative form of a verbal extension, the pattern is do or does, subject, verb 1, complement. Don't forget to use the question mark. Example: do he bring the book? Apakah dia membawa buku itu? Do you like it? Apakah kamu menyukainya? Just like in nominal extension, in the verbal extension, the do or does is placed at the beginning of the station. Here, do or does function as the question word or auxiliary verb used to form a question. The interrogative form with how question. Lastly, there is not interrogative form with how question in verbal extension. The pattern is we question does, subject, verb 1, complement. Just like in nominal extension, in the form the question is placed at the beginning of the extension before does. Example: why does he go to school? Kapan dia pergi ke sekolah? Why do you love badminton so much? Kenapa kamu menyukai badminton? One important thing to remember when you use does in your extension, the verbal short not having the ending C is, because the C is already represented by those. Conclusion 1. Definition: the simple present tense is used to express habits, general truth, facts, expression, or facts conduct. 2. General formula: the pattern depends on the type of tension and the subject. Nominal tension using to be. Positive subject to be complement. He is a teacher. Negative subject to be not complement. I'm not lazy. Interrogative to be subject complement. Are you a doctor? We question. We to be subject. Why are you late? 3. Key points. Use verb 1 because this tense refers to the present form. He, she, it, verb she is, while I, we, they, because verb without she is. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hanisa Bila Putri with student ID number 1925190 class 19.1C05 Information System Development. My opinion as a member of Generation Z about the news President Mr. Prabowo Subianto. As Generation Z, we live in a fast-paced era, full of changes and with high hopes for the future. Therefore, my opinion regarding